I have upgraded the rear of the trailer lights to 24 LED lights and upgraded these in the middle. And I added these lights on the side markers as well. And I added 3 in between the axles, in front of each axle. For the underglow lights, upgraded the turn signal to a clear. I'm fixing to update this to a light bar to reach across. So it's gonna be 14 4-inch lights for the back. And I upgraded the truck's lights, you can tell. These lights down here on the bottom, down here, flashing the dirt, and right here, those are the rock lights you can get. And this one right here is the watermelon light. Same thing for the other side as well. And these lights on the side, the sleeper, 3 on each side, 17-inch light bar. And the watermelon lights on the bottom of the steps, red on the back, 2 embers on the front, and the 1 on the side. And watermelon lights inside the truck. And of course I upgraded the mirror lights. This is a new bracket for the Freightliners. So it's pretty cool. Watermelon light on the bottom. And I got 6 watermelon lights on the front. And I got 6 3/4-inch watermelon hero lights for the cross. And eventually I'm going to add watermelon lights on top. And of course the same thing for the other side. So the truck is lit up. We're not done yet, guys.